press the yes button to join the assembly.
Our first issue on the agenda. Should ferrymen lose their jobs if they overturn their boats? The council wishes the people to debate and then vote on the issue. Who wishes to speak?
This is my first time in a museum, but
Every day, many times a day, ferrymen take people and goods across the strait to Salaminos. More than once, an incompetent ferryman has overturned his boat, losing all of the goods on board and endangering the lives of our citizens. These men, who cannot keep control of their boats, should never be allowed to steer another ferry. I propose that this assembly vote yes to immediately fire any ferryman who overturns his boat.
I feel for those citizens who have suffered a loss after a boat capsizes. However, like its master Poseidon, the sea can be unpredictable and dangerous. When we travel on the water, we accept a risk. The ferrymen cannot control Poseidon or his sea, so how can they be at fault if rough water flips a boat? Do not unjustly rip away the jobs of these poor men. How will they support their families? I propose the assembly vote no and allow unfortunate ferrymen who have lost a boat to keep their jobs.
Let us bring this proposal to a vote. Should ferrymen lose their jobs if they overturn their boats? To vote, press yes or no.
So you guys voted 50-50, right?
It was decided by the people that ferrymen will not automatically lose their jobs if their boats overturn.